Want to do an AP course? For this, you have to write a perfect DBQ essay, which carries 25% of the AP exam. Don't know what DBQ is? What is a DBQ essay? DBQ is a document-based question that consists of a prompt and some historical information. Students have to answer this prompt in the essay format by using the existing knowledge presented in the document. Key purposes of writing a DBQ essay: test the student's knowledge, improve critical thinking skills, polish expository writing skills. To write a perfect DBQ essay, you have to get started with an essay prompt. Let's first explore the common types of this essay prompt. 4. Common types of DBQ prompt: comparison, caution, change over time, periodization. After knowing the key types of the DBQ prompt, we hope that you got a better understanding of this essay prompt. Learn how to break down this prompt. 5. Key steps to break down the DBQ prompt. Read the prompt carefully. Identify the key terms. Divide the prompt into pieces. Consider the broader context. Note the period. Now you have deconstructed the prompt for your essay. Let's move on writing this essay. A step-by-step guide to writing a perfect DBQ essay to pass the AP exam. Writing this essay type starts with analyzing the documents. To analyze the documents, you have to follow the key tips below. Skim the headings, subheadings, and other key points thoroughly to get a basic understanding of the document. Now highlight the key points of the documents and write them on paper. It's time to hop on the development of your thesis statement. Developing a strong thesis statement is the foundation of a perfect essay. Are you wondering what a good thesis is? Let's get to know what elements a strong thesis has. An assertive opening, scope of arguments, a direct response, historical context. Move on to structuring your essay body. A DBQ essay has 3 to 4 body paragraphs, and every paragraph has the same elements. Have a look at what these are. Topic sentence, document analysis, outside evidence. Ensure the suffocation. At the end, you have to write an impactful conclusion. For this, you have to follow the steps below. Start your conclusion by restating the thesis with fresh and unique words, keeping the key idea the same. Now, summarize all the key ideas that you have discussed in your essay. Wrap up your essay with a broader implication of your topic to leave a lasting impression on your readers. We have shared the secrets behind writing a powerful DBQ essay. By following all these strategies and tips, you can write a perfect essay. If you need additional support, you can avail of essay writing services from our professionals to complete the AP course successfully.